CSAA Expt8 E1 Installing IIS Internet Information Server. The objective of this experiment is to learn how to install IIS. The web server IIS role is used to turn your Windows Server 2008 server into a website hosting server. In this activity, we use Server Manager to install the web server IIS role. The web server IIS role should not already be installed on your server. Click Start, point to Administrative Tools, click Server Manager, find the Role Summary section, click Add Roles. Okay, let's go to VirtualBox, Start, Administrative Tools, Server Manager. Okay, click on the roles for it to collect the data. Click Add Roles. Click Next. Okay, IIS web server role. Okay, so you need to add additional features for the IIS to work. This is the Windows Process Activation Service. Okay, add the required features. Okay, so if you are asked about enabling Windows Process Activation Services, click Add Required Features, click Next. Okay, so we add the required features. Okay, so IIS provide a reliable, manageable and scalable web application infrastructure. Click Next. Introduction to web server. Web servers are computers that have specific software that allow them to accept requests from client computers and return responses to these requests. Web servers let you share information over the internet or through intranet and extranet. The web server role includes Internet Information Services 7, a unified web platform that integrates IIS 7.0, ASP.NET, and Windows Communication Foundation. IIS 7 also features enhanced securities, simplified diagnostic, and dedicated administration. So we click Next. So they will show all those necessary features that are added. We click Next and click Install. After installing the IIS, we can use the IIS Manager to manage the IIS. When we start the IIS Manager, this is how it will look like. We can see the start page of the web server, the home, and then you can manage it. You can start and stop the server or restart. So with this IIS Manager, we can do the following: connect to the web server on your computer, or remotely connect to a web server, an application or a site. Have multiple connections to web servers, application and sites. You can manage the web server, manage ASP.NET, manage authorization for users and specific web server role, manage the web server logging, compress the web server files, manage code modules and worker process, manage the server certificate, and also troubleshoot a web server. Let's go back to the virtual directory. We have completed the installation of IIS. Installation successful. You can close. Okay, end of experiment 8 E1.